Today we are talking about one of my all-time favorite things to do, DIY Halloween costumes. Buying Halloween costumes can get expensive. No, and not to mention boring. It's always way more fun if you go the DIY route. In case you need some last-minute costume ideas, here are a few funny, not punny costumes that will get you some laughs. Tip number 1, ceiling fan. All you need is some regular clothes, a white poster board, and a marker. Write "Ghost Ceiling" on the poster board and you'll be a ceiling fan. What? You don't get it? You can also get super passionate and paint your face like a real fan would. Tip number 2, pig in a blanket. This one is one of my personal favorites. All you need is a blanket and a pig nose. You can find these at a cheap party store. Throw the blanket on, throw the nose on, and you're a pig in a blanket. Tip number 3, identity thief. This costume couldn't get any easier. All you need is a black outfit, name tags, and a mask, which you can get for like $5 at the store. Write a bunch of names on the name tags, stick them all over your body, put the mask on, and you are an identity thief. Tip number 4, catch of the day. If you are in really dire need of a last-minute costume, cut out some simple paper fish, color on them, and pin them to your body, and you'll go as the catch of the day. Sadly, you're gonna have to explain this to everybody. Tip number 5, Dunkin Donut. If you have a basketball jersey, a jersey, and a pack of donuts, and some donuts, you are all set. Just head out. You'll be dunking all night. Bomb. Thanks for watching this episode. Have an amazing Halloween, and I'll see you next time.